It's like taking an island jungle walk. It's still incredibly hot, but I'm okay. I've had plenty of water. The sun is almost overhead actually. I'll just show you how short my shadow is. Still plenty of lovely scenery to be seen even from this place where I'm now. I'll just show you. The boat I travelled on leaves in about 40 minutes. At 1 o'clock local time. Such a tropical place this is. I don't know if there's any coconuts up in those trees, so I won't stand under in case one decides to fall off like my head. Oh, something like a crow up there. Oh, let's have a look. I don't think I can really go much further. As of course, when I find my way back, the tour guide made a joke about being on the place to travel again, to pick up the boat. She said if you're not there in time, she'll see the people there tomorrow. It is like great, lovely. I think I can see a coconut that's fallen from a tree. This I think is a coconut. That would cause some damage if that hit you on your head. I'll step away from the tree. I think I'll start to turn back now.